everyone. Today we cut one piece long dress without any drafting, without any paper pattern, direct on the fabric. And fabric I have taken this one. We will cut on this fabric one piece long dress. The design is this. Only we have to cut neckline and we will make mega sleeves, no round shoulder. Cutting will be there and we will put elastic at the round waist and the dress will have elasticated waistline. So the shape of the dress will be like this. And I have taken the fabric. Measurements are required length of the fabric you need and round waist is required to put elastic, and circumference you need how much you want to have circumference of this dress. You have to take the fabric accordingly. So I have taken 58 inches of circumference, length of the dress 42 inches and round waist is 36 inches I have taken. So the fabric lengthwise it's 42 inches and circumference is 58 inches total. So we will fold this fabric into, if you have the fabric with less width, then you have to cut into two lengths and just fold the width of the fabric into, first you have to fold into two, then fold into second fold. So you will have 4 folds. Just you can see 1, 2, 3 layers I have. On one side now it's 58 inches divided into 4. Around 14 inches and a half from one side it is. So just fold like this. You can just understand with this fabric. On the paper I have drawn, you will just take circumference total you want and the length of the fabric. If the width of the fabric is around 60 inches, then you will take first fold into half the total fabric width, then you have to fold into second fold and you will have this type of fabric and you will fold like this. I have folded into 4 layers. I have folded, and after folding into 4 layers we have to cut only round neck. Back neck is smaller than the front neck. It's up to your choice. If you need deeper neckline at the back too, you can just cut accordingly as per your requirement and liking. So I have taken 42 inches length and one layer is around 14.5 inches and total circumference will be around 58 inches. And we will just not cut any round shoulder here, and across shoulder slope is here. We will cut 1 inch from this across shoulder and we will just join this slope. We will take round neck of the dress 3 inches from one side and here it's on fold. So length we will take 6 inches. Again, as per your liking and choice, you will take the depth of the neck. I have taken 6 inches depth of the neck. Width of the neck I have taken 3 inches. Then from highest shoulder point you will take 16 inches down and you will mark round waist to put elastic here. So when we will just insert elastic, our waistline is 36 inches. So we will take lesser round width of the elastic than this round waist. If we have 36 inches round waist ready, we will take 30 to 32 inches round elastic. So we will put here elastic, and here we are not going to cut any round shoulder line. We will leave this 9 to 10 inches as per our requirement and the measurement of the person. And this dress is free size, large size dress, so anybody can just wear this because this is elasticated and the shoulder line is here, and there is no across shoulder line is here, and armhole is built-in sleeve, mega sleeve we will make. And after finishing this mega sleeve, we will just put this here side seam, and before putting side seam we will insert elastic here at the round waist, then we will just put side seam. Now let us cut this dress. I have just folded it. Now we will just cut the dress. Only we have to cut round neck, and you have to measure your neck, how much you require. I have taken 6 inches depth of the neck. Front neck depth I have taken 6 inches. And width of the neck I have taken 3 inches. And across shoulder slope I will take 3/4 inch, and then seam allowance. Now I have just marked across shoulder slope here, and here I will leave seam allowance, and then I will measure 9 inches for round arm. No shoulder, round shoulder I am going to cut. No shoulder cutting, only I will leave 9-10 inches. And back round neck depth I will take 2 inches to 2 inches I have taken. We will cut our back neckline, and then we will just divide this into half. I will just cut back neckline first, because our front neckline I need deeper than the back neckline. It's very easy to cut direct on the fabric without any drafting, without any pattern making. I am just cutting direct on the fabric. If you will watch it carefully, then you will be able to cut your own dress like this. Now I am cutting across shoulder slope. And you can leave it like this, or you can just insert elastic here also at the across shoulder slope. Now we will just separate this front and back. I am going to separate. Then we will cut our front neckline, which will be deeper than the back neckline. To make this one-piece long dress with mega sleeves, we have to cut only our front and back neckline. And here, leaving 10 inches, I will just put notch to make our armhole. give one notch. Just this. Now we will just separate front and back. I have taken out back and we will cut our front neckline. Again I will repeat, you have to just take width and depth of the neck as per your requirement. I have taken width of the neck 3 inches from one side and depth of the neck I have taken 6 inches. Now I am going to cut this front neckline. I will just check the measurements. Now I'm going to cut the front neckline. I have just cut the front neckline. This is our front neckline. This will be our mega sleeves. So our dress has been cut into 2 pieces, front and back. I don't have any cameraman, so I have to do all this solo. And here from highest shoulder point we will mark 16 inches down to put our elastic, and our waist will be like this, elasticated waistline. And round neck we will finish with bias facing, not piping. We will finish with our neckline with bias facing. And the shape of the dress will be like this. Elasticated waistline and mega sleeves. We will finish from across. First we will finish first we will join our across shoulder, then we will finish neckline, then we will finish our mega sleeve opening on both the sides, then we will put side seam, then we will finish our circumference, round bottom line we will finish. And this one is our back with lesser deep neck. This one is our back neckline, lesser deeper. You can just deep neckline at the back too if you like deep necks. Any neckline you can just choose to have. And this is the design of our one piece long dress with mega sleeve and round neckline, back neckline, front neckline, elasticated waistline, and the gathers will be put automatically when we will put elastic at the waistline, and circumference will be finished with machine stitching. And that's how we can just cut our one piece long dress without any drafting and pattern making. You can just see, if you can, our dress will be like this, and this is the design of our dress. This is the rough drafting I have done for you. I hope you have understood the cutting of this simple long dress. That's all. Now I'm going to just end this live streaming. Thanks for watching. Bye.